Everyone. In this section, we will be dealing with one of the important interdisciplinary engineering stream called as the industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is an essential part of any engineering production system. So, this section is mainly focused on understanding what is industrial engineering, how it works, what is the role of an industrial engineer, what is the role of a production manager, etc. So consider this section as a basic section for understanding what actually the industrial engineering is. Industrial engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the optimization of complex processes, systems or organization. So the major work of an industrial engineer is to eliminate the wastage of time, money, machine, man-hours or any other resources that do not generate any value. To get a basic idea about the subject, let us start with the term called as production. Production is a step-by-step value addition process that converts one form of the product to another. So the basic layout of the process of production is you will be having an input. The input will be undergoing a conversion process and the output or the useful product is obtained. So this is the basic task which is performed during the process of production. So the production process helps in increasing the utility of a product to the user. A production system is an organized process of converting the raw materials into the final product. Here in the diagram you can see a basic layout of a production system. In a production system, an input or the raw material undergoes a conversion process and the final product is obtained. A production system also has a feedback loop. So the feedback loop actually compares the actual production with the desired production output. The major inputs that you give to the production system are man, machine, material and the energy required for the production. The major output of a production system are goods and services. So basically in a production system, during the conversion process from input to output, you also have a feedback loop where the actual and the desired values are compared and the productivity of the product is determined. So now comes the term productivity. Productivity is actually the ratio of the output obtained to the input given in a production system. So the output may be the goods or the services and the input may be raw materials, man, machine, energy or whatever you are feeding to the production system. So productivity actually compares how efficient your production system is. So it is actually a quantitative ratio between what we produced and what we used as a raw material to produce that particular product. Basic aim of every organization is to increase their productivity by applying latest technologies and equipments into the production system. Now, let us understand the tasks done by an industrial engineer and a production manager. So what actually is the difference between the tasks performed by an industrial engineer and a production manager? An industrial engineer is concerned with design, installation and improvement of the production system. So his major objective is to remove unproductive operations from the production system to improve the productivity. So coming to the task performed by a production manager, his major objective is to produce goods and services of right quantity and quality at predetermined time and cost. In the coming section, we will be dealing with the evolution and the major functions of modern industrial engineering. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.